In this quick tutorial, we're diving into how to connect LearnWorlds with Hotmart, two powerful platforms for creators looking to sell online courses and digital products. If you're unsure about how to link them up or if they're the right fit for your needs, stick around until the end. I'll also reveal a better solution for your goal, plus an exclusive offer just for you. Let's start with the first thing, setting up your accounts on both platforms. You need an active LearnWorlds account and a Hotmart account. So go ahead and create both if you haven't already, and make sure you have your login details ready. Next thing, the integration itself. LearnWorlds doesn't have a built-in native integration with Hotmart, so you'll need to use a third-party tool like Zapier. Zapier acts as a bridge, helping the two platforms communicate with each other. Once you're in Zapier, you'll set up a Zap, which is basically an automated workflow. This Zap will allow you to sync data between LearnWorlds and Hotmart. It's easy, but you'll need a paid Zapier plan to connect more than a couple of triggers. Now, let's talk about the third thing, creating your Zap. In Zapier, click Make a Zap, then select LearnWorlds as the trigger app and Hotmart as the action app. For the trigger, you'll likely want to choose something like a new user signup or course purchase on LearnWorlds. Once a student buys your course, Zapier will automatically send this data to Hotmart, so it's tracked in both systems. Setting up these triggers and actions will take a couple of minutes, but it's all about getting the right flow in place. The fourth thing, testing. This is where it gets tricky. If your data isn't syncing correctly, it's often an issue with how the trigger is set up. Double-check that the right actions are happening after the trigger event. For example, after someone buys a course, you should see that sale reflected in Hotmart within a few minutes. Test it before you go live, and if you run into any issues, Zapier's customer support can help you troubleshoot. Finally, the fifth thing, once it's working, you're good to go. The integration should be seamless, but make sure you monitor it for the first few days. You'll want to make sure that your data is syncing correctly and there are no hiccups in the workflow. It's always a good idea to do a final check after the first few sales, so nothing slips through the cracks. But here's the thing, while LearnWorlds and Hotmart can be linked together using Zapier, it's not the most straightforward solution. And it's far from perfect. There are a few limitations when it comes to the syncing process, and Zapier can sometimes be slow with the data updates. So, if you're looking for a smoother, more efficient solution, stick around for a better alternative. Now, here's where the real value comes in. Through the link in the description, you'll get exclusive access to a much better platform for this exact purpose, plus a free trial that you can't get anywhere else. This platform not only connects your course platform with sales tools more seamlessly than LearnWorlds and Hotmart, but also gives you more control over your entire workflow. So, why stick with a clunky setup when you can streamline your operations? Don't forget to grab the exclusive offer linked below for the best free trial. I've also listed some fantastic alternatives that can do everything LearnWorlds and Hotmart do, and much more. These alternatives offer you easier integrations and better support, and yes, they also come with free trials. If you're serious about growing your online course business, check them out. You won't regret it.